Good afternoon. How are you guys doing today? All right, we're down here to put the walls up, or at least start them. And I got the extra supplies that I needed. I needed a few more pieces of wood and some caulk. Got that. And also got some shelving. I thought I was going to go with wood, but when I got over there, I decided maybe wire shelving because I already had some stuff to do it. And I'm going to see if I like it. I don't know. I don't know until I, put the first piece up. I can always change that to wood if I don't. That's what I'm going with for now because I want to put 2 shelves up, and they had some different sizes of wire over there too, so I may put like a more shallow shelf up at the top. So yeah, that's what we're going with for now. So this is the shelving that I got. I already had some, and then I had like brackets and everything, so I thought it'd be easier just to go with that. If I wanted to set something on top of it to cover part of it, or to set my pots on, I thought that'd work too. I went over there looking for like 2 by 12 because we were going to need like 2 by 12 by 12 on one side and then 2 by 12 by 10 on the other, and it was just so massive, and the cost of lumber right now is insane. So I don't know, I decided to go with this. We'll see. Well, we've got the first piece in on the walls. Went in pretty good, no issues. Seth's back to help. We had a nice trip camping. All right, we've got 1. It's very hard to see. 2, 3 pieces working on the 4th one. And we're putting caulk inside these little grooves and laying the glass up against it. And then we're trimming it out with the 1x4s. All right, we have all of the glass done on this outer wall. All of the big pieces are finished. I think we have one bigger piece over there by the door, but all the big stuff is done. And it looks amazing. We've trimmed everything out with 1x4s. We got to put 2 more pieces here, like we did on the others. We did that at the bottom and top, and looks great. Yeah, it's really hard to see. It's so clear, like on the inside. I'm afraid like a bird or something's gonna fly into it, and I'm gonna walk through it. Hope not. We've got the 2 ends to do, and then we are done. There's some angles on all this that may take a little longer with the trim, but we're getting close. Look at that, you can't even see it. I hope I don't walk through it. You're not gonna walk through it, are you, Seth? No. Look at the clouds. They are pretty today. Doesn't seem as hot today either. It's just a little bit humid. But we're so tired. We had a crazy trip at Lowe's today and Home Depot. Stuff we were looking for at Lowe's wasn't there. Went to Home Depot and couldn't find it. And it took like an hour or more. And then it had green paint all over it. Some of the boards did. So it was a fun day. Very interesting. Kind of glad it's over. Here.
Bottom.
There.
Calm down. Not put her. Put it in a knot.
Here.
Yeah, right there. Hold the drill on it straight.